Hey, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to set up this new, great, and most importantly free adult app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's see how you can set it up. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader, and there is a really high chance that you already have it on your device. So if that's the case, then just skip this part of the video. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you're not sure how to properly use it or set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So you can get Downloader for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search by clicking on that magnifying glass, click on search, and start typing Downloader here. As you can see, it already popped out here for me at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, then you gotta just type the whole name of the app. Click on it, and here's the app which you need to download. But that's not it, you also have to set it up, and we can do so by going to settings. Click on that gear icon in the right part of the screen, go down, click on My Fire TV, and here you have to go to developer options, but there's a chance that if you have a newer Firestick or Fire TV Cube, the developer options are going to be hidden for you by default. So if you can't find the developer options here, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just click on About, select Fire TV Stick, and click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. If you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options. Now we open those options, make sure to enable ADB debugging, and then we go to install unknown apps and make sure to turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we got our downloader set up and ready to use, but there is one more thing which I really recommend before actually using the downloader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast, and they got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After we got the VPN safely connected and set up, let's go to Downloader. Here you'll see a search bar in which you have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. Once again, it's 28907, and then press on go. Then a website is going to open. You have to scroll down a bit and keep scrolling until you see a list of categories, and here's the one which you need to click on. And then a list of apps is going to open, and here's the one which you need to click on. Then an ad may open, and if it does, you just gotta click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up. Then a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down and keep scrolling until you see that little download button. If for some reason it doesn't work, you can always use the backup download link. So click on download, and now the download has started. Then click on install in the right bottom corner, and after installation is finished, do not click on open yet, instead press on done. And we are doing it this way so we could delete the installation file, because you don't need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire TV Stick device. So always make sure to delete those installation files after the app is actually installed. Click on delete here, and delete once again. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, you will see this new adult app on your Fire Stick. Of course, make sure to connect to VPN first before actually using the app, and then you're free to use it. What's also important to mention, it's going to be great if you get a mouse toggle app, because it's going to make the navigation of the app way easier. So basically what mouse toggle does, it just allows you to use a mouse cursor on any application, be it a media app, streaming service, or even a game. I will not show how to set up a mouse toggle now, but I do have a full tutorial on that on my channel. So I will leave a link on how to set up a mouse toggle in the description of this video. So make sure to watch it as well. And then enjoy the app.